Very good evening, Ceasefire. I am Prashant Chauhan, working with Ceasefire from last 3 months. In these 3 months, I have generated a sales turnover around 4 lakh rupees, and for the my plan for the next 6 months will be around 10 or 11 lakh rupees. There is some pledge I would like to take for my growth of me and my company. These pledges are: I will make 8 calls per day. I will submit 12 proposals per month to our clients, and for a month I'm setting my target around 1.5 lakh rupees. And moving further, at least I will create 5 clients per month for my company and for myself. And now moving further, there is a commitment from my side for Ceasefire that I will generate revenue or sales turnover of at least 25 lakh rupees for the next coming month, which is 2012 and 13. And the now question arises: how I will generate this kind of huge sale? The answer is sales directly comes from the customer satisfaction and the customer understanding. For that, I am very honestly working on this. First thing comes is the customer satisfaction. For that, we need to provide a better services to our existing client. After that, we need to introduce them what are our new products, what are the new features we are providing in our new products. And by making a kind of feel of satisfaction in our existing client, we will try to generate a more business from the existing client. Now the question is how we will create our new clients. For that, I am planning a kind of good presentation, and I am developing good communication skills for our products, which I like to present and which I would like to share with our customer. For example, generally we take an order of from one client for the one particular location, and the situation is that particular client has around 7 or 8 factories or location in all over India. Firstly, we need to identify how many places he is running his business. We will try to pick them in order for pan India basis. Now, some kind of experience I would like to share with Ceasefire. I was a fresher when I had joined this company, and I think this is one of the best company I can ever have in my life. For example, the kind of colleagues, the kind of my seniors, the kind of environment in the company is tremendous, and it is awesome. And I think I can never going to leave this company ever. There are the 4 lines I would like to dedicate for Ceasefire. आज तेरी ये खाते हैं कसम, जोत नहीं ज्वाला हैं हम. जय हो टीम Ceasefire, जय हो.